Welcome to another video. Now, it's not always easy to create engaging content, but sometimes you've just got to be a little bit creative and sometimes a little bit different. So stay tuned to the end because I'm going to show you how to create awesome and engaging videos. First thing you're going to need is the equipment. You don't have to buy the latest and greatest in my opinion, you just have to buy something that's quality. I use a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, perfect for my requirements. When I'm in the house, I use my housemate's Canon 600D camera. That gives great quality indoors. Now for the microphones. Now this is one of the most important pieces of kit. Now I have two microphones that I carry when I'm out on the road. I have the Rode Video Micro, that's currently on the camera now. And I also have the EduCharge, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, EMT001. To use these external microphones with your GoPro, you're going to need the external microphone adapter. Without it, you just have the GoPro audio, which isn't the best. Now you're going to need a good case to put it all together. Now I use the Ulanzi case, which is a vlogging case. It keeps everything nice and neat and nice and clean. Finally, you're going to need a SD card for all that stunning footage you're going to capture. And this is what it looks like all together. So now we have all the gear and no idea. So now we have all the gear, we need a way to attach it to pretty much anything, you and the bike. So let's take a look at the mounts. Wait. Before we take a look at the mounts, I want to show you that holding the camera and recording is one of the best methods. It's super engaging and super interesting because the background is always changing. You've also got a natural stabilizer because you're holding the camera with your arm. I also like the fact that it's in my hand, in my control. I can turn at any point, turn the camera, look around. Don't underestimate the power of holding the camera. It's brilliant, my most preferred method. Now that that's out of the way, I have three different mounts to discuss. We have the helmet mount, we have the chest mount, and we have the handlebar mount. Now some quick thoughts on these. The chest mount, really good. However, you do have to wear the straps. It is, however, really good to give a perspective of the rider. The other thing to note is it's super secure to your body. Next up, we have the helmet mount. Now, the extra weight added to your helmet is a great neck workout if you want a neck the size of the Hulk. Just kidding. It's actually really good to capture everything that's around you with the GoPro on your head. You can see a lot. The field of view is massive. Lastly, we have the handlebar mount. Now I really like the handlebar mount, mainly because the camera is accessible. One of the best things about the handlebar mount is you can quickly unclip it from the handlebar mount and quickly swap to holding and recording pretty quickly. All of these mounts have their purpose. I personally use a handlebar mount. Editing is so important. Now, there are many parts to the editing process. Think of the video you are creating as a movie. You want it to be engaging, captivating, and hold the viewer's attention. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down the 8 steps of my editing process and my editing flow to help you. If you want to see more in-depth videos, smash the subscribe button. Step 1 of the editing process, you want to cut your footage. Now I normally have about 2 to 3 hours of footage for a 5 to 10 minute video. Look through your footage. If it's not engaging, then don't put it in. Next, you're going to want to mark points of interest. Now these are points that I'm going to actually do something to. I may overlay some text. I may cut the footage and add an image in. It could be anything at that point. You could overlay a logo. Things popping up on screen are going to keep your footage engaging, keep people watching, and break up just someone watching you. Next up, you're going to want to edit your points of interest. Now, this is where your creativity is going to come in. At this point, you want to add humor, break it down, pick out funny things in your footage, whatever it may be. Just add that in, add a bit of your personality, a bit of your character. Step 4, and this is an easy win, is to add text overlays to emphasize certain points in your video. So for example, if I say a sentence like, "Wow, this is incredible." More pop-ups on screen, more engaging footage. Now onto sound, or should I say sound engineering. Now this is one of the most important aspects of video editing, and do not overlook it or do not skip this step. It really can make or break your video. And just to prove to you how much of a difference it does actually make, have a look at this clip.
Just because I like being that person who's different.
And now let's take a look at the same clip with all the sound engineered.
Just because I like being that person who's different.
So there you go, you can see just how much it makes a difference. Step 5, we're going to want to edit the colour. I tend to boost the colours. When I record in flat, then I add all the colour in the editing software. Number 6, your audio levels. The best thing I can advise here is to put your headphones on, listen to the whole clip back, and make sure that there's no peaks and there's no lows. Point number 7, relatively simple one, is you want to produce, deliver, or render your video out from your editing software. Number 8, once it's exported, we then need to upload the video online. So there you have it. They are the 8 steps that I use. It creates good, engaging videos, short and snappy to the point, and hold the viewer's attention. Nobody said it would be easy. Cut. I'm going to be producing many more videos like this, in-depth videos on everything we spoke about in the video today. So if you want to see those videos, then smash the subscribe button. Do click the notification bell as well, and you'll be notified when a new video is released. If you learned something new in this video, smash the like button. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. It's much appreciated and will help the channel grow. Thank you very much for joining me. I shall see you in the next one.